how to fix your Blink doorbell not ringing from inside. So if you're having problems with this, there's a few things you can put in mind first. So typically the issue could also be related to your power. Blink doorbells are usually battery powered, so if the batteries are low or dead, the doorbell won't send alerts to a connected chime. So Blink models can connect to an existing wired doorbell system for constant power, or if the circuit supplying power is turned off, tripped, or faulty, the doorbell won't ring either. So make sure you do have electricity or any kind of power for your Ring doorbells. But other than that, you can make sure this setting is actually toggled in your app. So if for some reason you don't have the app, you can go ahead to your Play Store and download the Blink app and then enter it directly and log into your account. But most likely you would have the app since you're gonna need it to actually access the doorbells. Now once you have found your doorbell, you're gonna have to go to its settings. So you'll be able to see the doorbell settings. Then from there, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the chime settings. Now, if your chime type is set to disabled, then of course it wouldn't be able to make a sound from the inside. You're gonna have to press on that in order to change the chime type. So you're gonna have to continue here since it will say for a doorbell setup. If for some reason you haven't done that, then you can follow it properly to make sure everything is set properly. And if you already have, you can just skip through all of that and then just go ahead and agree to some of these questions. And then once you finish taking a look at the setup, you're gonna have to choose what kind of chime you want. Now you could toggle whichever option you like, either a digital or a mechanical chime. Just go ahead and choose whichever you'd like, and then you can test the sound to see if you'd like it. And then just go ahead and say that you like the sound, and then just go ahead and press on continue. And then it will bring you back to the doorbell settings. Just go ahead and press on the continue, and then the chime setting will be saved automatically. But those are a few things you can check if your chime isn't ringing properly. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.